we do the Brazilian steakhouse style ways of serving meats, which we serve in this beautiful format over here. We basically skewer all of our meats. This is a prime sirloin. This is the protagonist of any Brazilian steakhouse. This is cooked in that state-of-the-art rotisserie right there. We seasoning it with some nice sea salt. We sear for about 7, 8, 10 minutes the most, and we shave it at the table. So coming to a Brazilian steakhouse experience is much like going to a tasting. You pretty much get to try lots of different meats, anywhere from pork, chicken, lamb, pork sausage, steak, you name it. Garlic bread even we do over there. We do a grilled pineapple with cinnamon sugar. And also when you do the rodizio style, we started your experience with some little gourmet salads. And then we pick a couple different hot sides, table sides. And when your sides hit the table, your meat starts to arrive. It's really good. Your steak never gets cold. Oh, how could I forget about the presentation? You know, tell me any restaurant that you go that does like a table service and they come out with a cool knife like this one. And my friends, the Try My Chow tiger knife is the bomb. So we use this knife for everything. Anywhere from chopping, slicing, dicing, you know, anything you can imagine. Very, very multi-use, very versatile, very, very sharp. It's actually one of the few knives that we've had here that really holds its sharpness for a long, long, long time. The presentation is key. And not only when it comes to the food, but what kind of tools you're using as well. And you know something that I really like to use this over here to show off in front of my customers. They love it. With the Try My Chow tiger knife, you will cook like a boss. Try My Chow.
Now, if you don't have a cool Brazilian steakhouse near you, a state-of-the-art rotisserie, or a fancy Try My Chow tiger knife, don't worry. Try My Chow has got you covered. You can get our Try My Chow barbecue rotisserie that will help you get the same cooking style. If you'd rather get a list of Brazilian steakhouses near you, be a king, or want to cook like a boss, click on the link.
I want that thick soup. I went to see the Red Sox over at Fenway Park. I gotta park my car, can't find a place to park. I just broke the law, cause I had a great happy hour. Now my car's buried in snow, I'll need that soup for sure. But Beacon Hill is the spot, my homies go